Hey everybody, I'm just outside my shop. Welcome back. For those of you following the build so far this year, thank you for your patience. I know I haven't been updating that much, but now the build is finally back underway. So let's take a look at what's been going on. Firstly, I've just picked up a ton of new tires. I've never had so many tires in my life. There was a sale, so I've picked up a ton of Pirelli DS slicks. That's in case I want to run in some unlimited classes and in case I just want to go really fast. You can see some new ones and some old ones. They are 285, 645, 18. Slicks are listed in total overall height, not aspect ratio. And I picked up some 295, 30 ZR18 Pirelli Trofeo Rs. They run a bit wide, so I'm going to pick up some 18 by 11 wheels as well. To store them over the winter, I'm going to wrap them in some plastic wrap. My wife got sick of me always using all the plastic wrap, so she's picked up a ton of boxes for me. There's the stack in the basement, all wrapped up and ready to be stored for the winter. And I decided to wrap the new ones, and I decided to not wrap the old ones because they've been sitting out for 4 years anyway, so who cares? So a nice stack of tires down there. And the sorry environment, wasted plastic wrap. So I've got to get these slicks off the car and put the OEM tires back on because the car is going away for the winter. But it's not just going away. I've got to get it in the trailer. I've got to get it loaded up and buttoned up because in the morning, it is headed finally to Lavigne Motorsports in Elmira, Ontario, to have all of the work done that was scheduled to be done this year, but has been pushed back. So the car is ready to go in the spring. So here it is at Lavigne Motorsports. There's Eric Lavigne himself tuning a Civic on the dyno when I showed up. He does a lot of those dyno tuning services. So if you are in Southwestern Ontario and are looking for someone to tune your vehicle, you can look him up. Parts that we've been accumulating all season long being loaded into the shop. If you want to see what those are, just check back on the playlist, look through the different episodes. You can see the parts that have been acquired so far. There's a few new ones on the way too. We're going to try to rebuild the 350Z so that it's at least competitive with maybe a C7 ZR1 or a 991 GT3 RS, which have been sort of dominating local classes for a long period of time. We're going to rebuild the VQ35DE. We might not be completely competitive, but we should at least be somewhat close. The more handling the track, the better the 350Z will do. Sorry, that sentence didn't make much sense, but I don't feel like re-recording the audio. So the car's in the shop. I'm going to show up at the shop every once in a while to take video of what's going on. So follow along. It should be a good winter. We'll catch you next time.